TV, Facebook TV, and the money na moya Onua FM moya kwasiafo papa. Some mujai Captain Smart na o air some moa sem no. Onua TV ni Onua FM. From head to the toe, moya moa nkasa for not cross checking your fact. This guy took videos enya nokure and what publishing among the whole Ghana who said Afari Hospital is rotten. Enya nokure Ghana for na mama ya one point ye Jimmy Fobi e two fruit rogu ye nisa nti bebrebe dia koso nyanti Ghana for nti mu hu ye bebrebe koso nyina nti Ghana for mu hu ye Jimmy Captain Smart Jimmy sa or real son of the betna seven predators on the TV this one Facebook TV this one then people are listening to this Jimmy and stupidity Ghana muwa no ma dos na munya Jimmy no Mumwana Dawson, stop their stupidity. Now, what Jimmy too much? I did Jimmy a cry. Captain Smart Bekache Ghana phone and I said, Commander Sugar Factory, a year, Juma. Eko to Coco said, Big Muti, or the radio station, a call ye. Multimedia, Mutiwa, Man Kashi, you knew what the guy was doing was not right. Because of money. Because of money. Multimedia, we are aware, say Captain Smart, Echo Commander, no, what Jessica would bottom. And the Captain Smart, I was service passport. Or net diplomat, but Okita service passport. Udinachi, what Jimmy, we are what Jimmy for. Udi Captain Smart, a mere journalist, I will free Kumasi, SHS level, or this episode, and for certificate, and Echo University. Udinachi, so Okanyas, some Chagana for Okita service passport. Casa Okita, and the government. These are the people who are making Ghanaian youth lazy. These are the guys making Ghanaian youth lazy. For what they hear, politician be now because I bought say Captain Smart. I got this guy no dig Jimmy. I was a four no share. Na yesi yam kono. Sergeant ni biamu da enim tantan way ebe Kenyans asem de ache mo bi say Captain Smart. Captain Smart, tag Captain Smart for me. Me pese Ghana for nyina ehu because I'm sure say all the angles are firing. Political zone air fire because ye nyai ma mo bi a omu nim nyansa. Etimi kasenti no, they can throw dust in the eyes of the people. Ye nyai da. Enti ye ni wo di atema afa ne ho ye fe. Afa ne ye kese, and that is where we grow. Di atemno mundi atem ya wi afa de ya bre mundi atemno na Captain Smart ne muwa bi gu Ghana. Captain Smart ene muwa me se muwa de ntwie muwa bi ti se Captain Smart o mu gu Ghana. Only David oti Germany kwase ya wonim Ghana mpo na se wo hu ya enka wo for desert so na go Germany. I'm referring to your west. In your own west okache da ache hema say Captain Smart akwakotwa Afari Hospital roti and then another don't Kufuado into the whole D Kufuado atem no. Now I'm coming back to reply you say we are boy Jimmy for wonim nyansa. Or he David Makato yourself school one copy. Second education now would be into what Jimmy, but the few nyansa as a Ghanaian dear, I think I walk a car with him. Verify the information before you come out. So what is me menim tantan ya and come from be say Afari Hospital ho na ko twakere me say inti de Jimmy abo de dentwie kronfo ti say Captain Smart e kan no ti sen de dentwie abo ti say Captain Smart e kan no is it true one go school na wo po wo de keton ase podi no Ohini David you never crossed your fact. And I was starting to say, who dig Ghana for penny for them? And you have done this several over and over. What dig Ghana for them penny for them, sir? Because who swear free more to say Captain Smart, who swear to say Kwasiafo to say Maranko Boyho. They think say almost fix Ghana, but almost say almost food no more than them. Some of us here they say we would never come on social media to even talk about, but more be chain. In say Baba catch on Kwasiasemo Moody Ghana Moody more be a china munjai. Just release yourself from this stupidity. Now, Cherudo. The international community almost serious and yet social media. Say, near Manquasia, for say Captain Smart, can't we see that we have stupidity at the highest level? Captain Smart, a boy, or started Commander Sugar Factory. Because of what discount, people followed and people bought into the idea. And they went $35 million. $35 million American dollars. $35 million American dollars. And when Captain Smart stood on television, stood on TV, Ekoto Koko, Ekache Ghana for say, Commander Sugar Factory here, Juma. And sugar ya bomu tokrumpo e binni be a free Commander Sugar Factory. This is Captain Smart and now Ekache Ghana for say, a very hospital, ye giant no air roti. But today, a we are seeing who said the hospital is almost 90% completed. Captain Smart, we are watching me for what? I also said, yeah, we will be able to because MPP for no more D and no quadro. And no quadro MPP for communicators and no quadro. Fire for fire. Boot for boot. This is what you people must do to Captain Smart. And then they call it, no. And more now, they will make everything possible. Say Ghana ever go into chaos. Now more I will say Ghana share. Say I will say Ghana share. I could want to go on a team one. Youth now more Jimmy now Munyansana Mudi Captain Smart chino. Move say Nese Ghana Butua. I could father one. You are so sick. Do you understand the word diplomatic passport? Service passport. Captain Smart kitabi onyawo. The so-called Captain Smart now, Mujini Dinamosi, or no, he is for the youth, he holds a service passport. Abua on your way. MPP rise up. Munyusunya nkopwadino de mamono. Now it's not about gentility. Sabobia ya bua, mumana mbuso ya bua. That is what kind of Japan can into a MP tidian. Can the MP tidian into a man who have been in a term because of MP? What did you watch it? That be a council of in the atom, and so can ye nipa or ye MP into Yama Kevin tell and the Kokuska, Sikoku Blas, a boy dependent on time and good animasi, just like that, because of politics. Can ye nipa or you turn upon Mojababa? When you can obey bleed it is a menu me and no poor Jimmy for. Ken is a human being. What is the kind one and Mojababa? A commander Namuti said a dao muno. Into what the baby on your shino, on your D, not Kevin Teller or more brother. Kevin Teller nipper panted in ye. Kevin Teller a crow frimuno, any tree, any farabai, and dinner tamanguna and say, because they have taken money from somebody. What Jimmy? This is what is going on in Ghana. Yenya Captain Smart because what me dear Kufwad were term free. Yenya Captain Smart because what me dear Baumia atom free. Now maybe say Captain Smart, SHS na okita. Captain Smart, SHS na okita. What me dear Obia or your PhD. Now what Jimmy we are saying at any same grandpa. What Jimmy said who SHS? What's the name? PhD holder bone. What is this word turning into? Because Ghana for Mumubia Jaimu and Mwabi Mwa Mponchibi Maybe Eradi or Majim. They are taking you for fools. Because some of them say assembly on Bekambiano you consume. This is the problem. And one who say assembly on Bekambiano Ghana for Mumbi. You are so easily convinced. You consume so much stupidity. That is where a more when you find a move. Nanka only mia.